There's an herb we wanted to talk about that is in our herb garden here called Germander. Now you probably have heard about it, but maybe you haven't thought the need to add it into your garden. But not only is it great for an herb garden, but also an ornamental garden as well. So the first one I want to show you here, this is the traditional Germander, and its species name actually comes from the Greek word meaning ground oak. So you can see it kind of has these shiny, sort of triangle-shaped serrated leaves. The foliage is quite attractive, but also in the late spring it will have these kind of spikes of lavender flowers that it produces. Now obviously being an herb is fragrant, as you can smell it. It is in the Laminaceae family or the mint family, so it has those traditional bilateral flowers on it. This likes, like many herbs, a kind of drier soil. So you want to make sure to provide it with plenty of drainage. But other than that, it is very heat tolerant and hardy here in Oklahoma. Now next to it here, we have another one. Now this is actually a different species, but it is a germander. It's called creeping germander. You can see we've got it planted on the front side of our bed so that it kind of spills over the rock. And that's one of the nice things about it. If you plant it in an ornamental setting or your herb garden, it will soften those hard edges of that garden space. You can see the foliage is a little bit different. It's got more of a kind of a silvery, grayish lanceolate foliage, but it still has the same color flowers, although they tend to look like a little more of a rosette. But this will just get carpeted with these pink flowers in late spring. Both of these germanders make nice additions to any garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.